Hey, Joe Proto here with one of the keys to understanding kindness. Until we reflect basic kindness in everything we do, our political gestures will be fleeting and fragile. Simple kindness may be the most vital key to the riddle of how human beings can live with each other in peace and care properly for this planet we all share. So, how do we change the world? One random act of kindness at a time. No matter how tough life can be, always strive for courage and kindness because we cannot cultivate a modern civilized world using barbaric, uncivilized tactics. If we abandon our values and virtues in order to get our way, unfortunately, we've lost our way. Although there are difficult decisions at times, civility is key for a society to function. So, if you want to demonstrate true character, summon the courage to be kind, as kindness is a sign of strength, not weakness. Let's lead by example, because if we wait for others to be kind first, it may not happen. Enjoy the day.